हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडिया या आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर आत्ताच सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 7 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर 1 सोर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे, कंप्लीट द नेम्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री. 1 आहे त्यामध्ये I-D, आन्सर आहे लिगँड. देन सेकंड आहे T-H, आन्सर आहे तारीख. थर्ड आहे B-R, आन्सर आहे बखार. 4 आहे P-A, आन्सर आहे पोवाडा. देन फिफ्थ आहे I-I-N, आन्सर आहे इन्स्क्रिप्शन. सिक्स्थ आहे M-U-T, आन्सर आहे मॉन्युमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आहे, लेट्स राईट. फर्स्ट, what do monuments include? Answer, monuments include samadhis, graves and vargalas and buildings. Second, what is tarikh? Answer ahe tarikh or tawarikh means the sequence of events. Third, what qualities of the author are important in the writing of history? Answer, the author's integrity, impartiality and neutrality are very important in writing history. Third, I find the odd man out. First, material sources, written sources, unwritten sources, oral sources. Answer, unwritten sources. Second, monuments, coins, cave, sculptures, stories. Answer is stories. Third, burjapatra, temples, treatises, paintings. Answer आहे temples. Fourth आहे ovis, tarikhs, folk tales, myths. Answer आहे तारीख. Question 4, explain the following concepts. First, material sources. First आहे answer, those authentic material evidences or proofs of the ancient period which support our study of historical events are called as material sources of history. Example, memorials, buildings, caves, sculptures, inscriptions, coins, copper, plate, forts, etc. Second, written sources. Answer, those authentic evidences or proof of the ancient period which are in written form are called as written sources of history. Example, documents of proceedings in courts of kings, genealogies, shakavli, correspondence, dispatches, treatises, biographies, travelogues, chronicles, tawarikh, etc. Third आहे oral sources. Answer, we understand various aspects of folk life through folk literature traditionally passed from generation to generation and they are known as oral sources of history. Example, myths, folk songs, gatha, shloks, abhangs, povadas, proverbs, legends, etc. Fifth is, it is necessary to evaluate sources of history. Give your opinion. Answer, yes, it is necessary to evaluate the sources of history. Just because the source is old does not mean it is reliable or true. We should examine their authenticity and see which sources are genuine and which are fake. We must evaluate its quality with the help of different methods and through critical analysis. It is necessary to determine the integrity, impartiality and neutrality of the authors by knowing their personal interest, the period during which they lived and political pressures on them. Question number 6 is, write why in your words. Write why in your words. First is, a stone inscription is considered to be an authentic source of history. Answer, a stone inscription that is a carving on the stone is a very authentic source of history as it throws light on different features of the ancient time like the language of communication which exists, script used and the social, political and economic life of a period, etc. Then second is, oral sources reveal various aspects of people's lives. Answer, various aspects of folk life through the folk literature passed on to us by our ancestors. They are pearls of wisdom and they hold a wealth of knowledge about the past. It throws light on the rich cultural life of the past and different arts forms which were practiced in those times. So अशा प्रकारे इथे जो आपला चॅप्टर होता 1 सोर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर संपलेले आहे. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग अँड कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.